I've just been into the chemist to try and get some form of antibiotics from state-controlled drug dealers. Wasn't allowed to have any. I said, well, what chemical does the same as the antibiotics what I am allowed to buy over the counter then? There must be a way around this somehow. She said, you got to go to a doctor. I said, really? I said, what, were all the doctors shut because of this security bullshit that isn't even real? So we're deliberately being made to suffer. I'm telling you I've got possible blood poisoning and you're telling me tough. Wait until a doctor can see you, or go to the hospital, which is dirty and filthy. So return to source it is then. Section, imprison or kill, remember? So just having a slow ride through the countryside, enjoying it while I can. I've got no energy, my body keeps shaking from the infection. I woke up shivering, not from the virus, but from the infection in my ear canal and jaw. We've had our dentistry taken away from us because it's all about the tax fraud and being made to contribute to the globalists' plans so they can steal the benefits which was paid in for generations by our ancestors. It's all about the taxes and conning them back. It pays for their wars, doesn't it? Normally have a little scams they got going on. It pays for their CCTV cameras to monitor us all. So you know why it's being done. If you try and get medication sorted out privately, you're antisocial because you're not supporting the system that's abusing us. So what does it take? Someone to die before it starts changing? And then if people protest about that death, what happens? They manipulate more control. So basically, I asked to return to source. That's where I believe I'm heading. One way or another, that's what's going to happen. So I'm not worried about it in the slightest. It's going to be a painful experience anyway, so letting go is never easy. One white horse, one brown horse. One white dog, one brown dog. I'm trying to get back to. As you can see, I've got no energy for cycling whatsoever. It's raining. I've got waterproofs in the bag, so it's not a problem. How are you two today, eh? Hello, mate. So I'm not going to hurt you. Here comes Mr. Dominant. Hello, baby. Don't be a bully. No one likes a bully. Okay. You thought about it then, didn't you? You was going to chase the other one off. Stop being a bully. But you listened and you stopped though, didn't you? That's it, and you're listening. Good boy. Come. What's up? Are you showing your teeth, are you? Ah, what a lovely animal you are, eh? Ah. You try and bite me, no? I've done nothing wrong to you. Okay, I'm going to leave you in peace. The grass has been cut short, so I can't feed you anything. Okay? Right. Going to be left in peace there. Okay. Doesn't take a lot to read an animal's body language, does it? But that only happens if you get in tune with nature, doesn't it? Right there with this side. What have we got? Record time will run out in a minute. Let's have a quick scan round. Ouch. You sat on my nads then. No raging storm today, is there? Doesn't need to be, does there? Point's already been proved. Can't see no 5G towers out here. The only thing that's tracking me is this smartphone. And when we get back on the main road, it'll start over there where that 5G lamppost is, over that way. And it'll pick me back up and follow me all the way home. Because they're all around my home. So I'm getting a new phone this week. The SIM card's coming out of this one and it's being used just to upload videos to the internet from home. I'm ditching the smartphones now. Well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of nature on a slow ride home. Got no appetite. Suffering from blood poisoning. And being denied any help for it. So this is the UK for you.